The untold story of Lord Krishna and his 16,000 wives. Did Lord Krishna really marry 16,000 women? Was it love, duty, or something divine? Today we reveal the truth behind this mysterious story. There was once a powerful and cruel demon king named Narakasura who captured 16,100 princesses from different kingdoms. These women were held hostage, tortured, and treated like prisoners. One day their prayers were answered when Lord Krishna rode into battle against Narakasura. With his Sudarshan chakra, he destroyed the demon and freed the princesses from captivity. But here's where the real tragedy begins. When these princesses tried to return home, their own families rejected them, calling them impure because they had lived in Narakasura's palace. No king would marry them, no kingdom would accept them. Alone and abandoned, they turned to Krishna and pleaded, "O Lord, where shall we go? The world sees us as tainted." Krishna, the ultimate protector, couldn't let them suffer. He made a bold and compassionate decision. He married them all. But it wasn't out of desire. It was an act of dharma, an effort to give them dignity, respect, and a place in society. But wait, how could he be with 16,000 wives at once? Because Krishna was not just a king. He was the supreme divine. He expanded himself into 16,000 forms, giving each wife her own Krishna, treating them equally with love and care. This is not just a tale of marriage. It's a lesson in compassion, social justice, and divine love. Krishna taught the world that no one is ever impure or unworthy. Everyone deserves respect, dignity, and love. If you loved this untold story of Krishna, hit like, drop a Jai Shri Krishna in the comments, and subscribe for more amazing divine tales from Legends of Sanatan. Blast off sparkles.